The Canvas Gradebook helps instructors easily view and enter grades for students. This tutorial demonstrates setup of Gradebook prior to creation of a set of assignments. First, select the course, then click on Grades in the left-hand menu. Select the gear icon in the right-hand side. And under the Late Policies tab, set the Gradebook to automatically apply grades for missing submissions. Note that you also have the option to automatically apply deductions to late submissions based on an applied percent and a deduction interval. Under the Grade Posting Policy tab, ensure that the grades are being automatically posted. Under the Advanced tab, select to allow final grade override. Click Update to save and apply the settings.